In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Apple Watch Series 5. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Duane with howtobuildcredittv.com. And on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, clearly you don't know this channel, like I said, is about credit and credit cards. But the reason why I'm doing this particular video on the Apple Watch Series 5 unboxing is because I ruined my Apple Watch Series 2. I actually dropped it face down and the screen was shattered. So of course, I went ahead and got the Apple Watch Series 5 because I was gonna get an Apple Watch anyway. And so I decided to go ahead and share the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5 on this particular channel, even though I don't do a lot of tech reviews. I don't do any tech reviews. We just talk about credit card, and how to make money using the credit card. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into the unboxing. So I'll see you guys over in the other video in just 1 second. Okay, so when you order your Apple Watch Series 5, and if you're ready to unbox it, you're going to see something that's similar to this. You're going to get something like this in the mail. And I'm going to go ahead and do my best here to do the unboxing. So I'm going to rip this here. There's a tab right here to rip. Yikes. Okay, that was easy. Okay. All right, cool. Then you can open it this way. Guys, I'm really excited. I actually got the watch on Wednesday. It was supposed to arrive on Friday, but I got the watch and I was like, man, I got to do a video, even though this channel, we don't necessarily do unboxings, but I definitely wanted to make sure I did it because I know that some of you guys on the channel would probably want to see it, and other people that don't watch this channel will probably want to see an unboxing. So that's why I decided to wait to do the unboxing. So there's the Apple logo there. You guys can see that. You can see my ring light in the background as well. So there's a tab here that you can pull to get the plastic. And that's very simple, straightforward there. Let me get this out the way. I'm really excited. So my Series 2 was shattered, which is why I decided to go ahead and get the Series 5. I actually was interested in getting the Series 5 anyway, because I wanted the Series 5 to kind of be my out and about Apple Watch, and my Series 2 is going to be like at work Apple Watch, because I work outside. Well, not really outside anymore, but I work in very like rugged environments sometimes, and so my Series 2 would have been, perfect for that. So anyway, the Series 2 got shattered, so I ended up having to get the Apple Watch Series 5. So the one that I'm opening for you guys here is a Series 5 space gray aluminum, and it's the 44 millimeters. I really wanted to get the stainless steel black Series 5. That one was a lot of money, so I went ahead and got the leather band for this. So I'll go ahead and open it here. So as you can see in the back, I'm gonna flip it here. All right, okay, that's simple. And that is also simple. And then it comes open. Okay, cool. We got some designs here on the inside. Some watch deals going on here with different bands. Pretty neat. And then after that, you have two boxes there. You have what this is my case. It's supposed to be the leather case. I don't know if you guys can see that well. And then of course in here is the actual Apple Watch. So let me get this box out of the way for a second. Okay, cool. So let's see. All right, it's pretty straightforward. Let me see if I can open this here. Trying to get this to, okay, it won't open. There's a tab here. All right, let's pull this tab right here. Get this guy out of here. All right, is there a tab on? Nope, that's it. Then now it'll open. Okay, so I opened it. Let me get this out the way. Opened it here. And of course, the traditional design by Apple in California. And there's my Apple Watch here in this nice little cool pouch. This little deal here, look at this. This is pretty freaking neat. Oh man, this is nice. I don't really remember what my Series 2 feels like, but there is the Apple Watch here. Let me put that so you guys can see it in the frame. So there's that. And then of course, inside the box, there is some stuff here regarding your Apple Watch. Of course, I'm not going to do that right now. And you have the charging block, of course. And then you have this deal that you can use to charge your Apple Watch Series 5. Pretty cool, pretty standard stuff. I'm going to go ahead and open the watch band here. So there's a little tab here on the left side. And this is the leather loop magnetic closure. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, give me a second here, guys. All right, here we go. That was tough. Right. Okay. Of course, Apple Watch. And there's the leather band. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's pretty dope. I really wanted this for some reason. I had the regular black sports loop for my Apple Watch Series 2. So I went ahead and decided to get the leather band for this one here. Of course, it's been a while since I've had to do this. Is this right? There we go. That's right, I think. And let's put this one here. There we go. So is this correct? Yeah, that clicked in place. This is not correct here. So let me take it out. Okay, so now I fixed it. And that is a look at my Apple Watch here. I'm gonna, of course, do the setup process. Let's see what this thing looks like on my wrist. I don't even know how to, this is so weird. This is so different. Because of course I'm used to the sport band. I believe this goes in here. I am struggling. Well, with a lot of practice, I'll get a lot better at this, of course, right? So let's see. That does not look too bad at all. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, I like to wear my watch tight, to be honest with you guys. But I'm looking forward to seeing the screen size on it. Let me go ahead and start it up here. Of course, I'm going to select English. United States. It says open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap start pairing. So I'm going to do that for you guys right here. Give me 1 second. Let me grab my phone. All right, I have my phone here. Let me unlock it. Sweet, it popped up. It recognized the watch right away. I'm going to click on continue. Then, of course, it has this wonderful deal here. Let me line it up for you guys so I can start pairing. Sweet. Restore from backup. Yes, I haven't had my Apple Watch connected in a while, so I'm going to click on restore from backup. Let's go with Duane's Apple Watch from September 21st, 2018. 2018, yo, I don't want that one. Yikes. That is crazy. I guess that's the last backup I had was from September 21st, 2018. That is yikes. I guess I'm going to do the most recent, which is this one here from 9/26, which is tonight. So I'm not really restoring it from backup, to be honest. We'll just hit continue at the bottom. Sweet. So it's doing its thing here. It's going to be pairing, of course. I'm going to click continue on my phone. Continue again. Of course, it's clock faces. Of course, I can choose what's what. Apple Watch is now syncing. So, of course, while it's upgrading the watch or downloading or whatever, there's some Apple Watch basics here that you can kind of go through. There's the display, there's a digital crown, there's a side button, and of course, it'll tell you what each thing is about, right? So I'll just tap on that. And then, of course, it says tap to select, swipe to scroll, and so on and so forth. So it's pretty straightforward here. Press firmly for more options or to change watch face. Now I know all these things, but it's pretty cool. So that's that. Then digital crown, of course, there's a little deal here on the digital crown. It'll tell you here. It says press to return to the watch face is what it says. I know you guys probably can't read that very clearly. So that's pretty much it. Of course, there's this one over here. Press and hold to talk to Siri, which is cool. I guess I didn't know that. Let's swipe over here. Turn to scroll, zoom, or adjust. So that's pretty straightforward. Then I'll hit done over here. And then the last one is the side button. I'll touch on that. So it says press to show the dock. Then this one is double click for Apple Pay. I don't know that I knew that, to be honest with you. I have never used Apple Pay on my watch. Then this one says press and hold for medical ID, emergency, SOS, and power. That's pretty straightforward. So I've gone through all of that. And of course my watch is still doing its update thing. Okay, so after your watch is done updating, it says your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. And just like that, we're in there. Now, of course, there are a bunch of faces that you guys can choose from. The quickest way to get to it is kind of press and hold, and then you can kind of swipe through the different faces here, as you can see. And when you come across one, there's those are photos. When you come across one that you like, you can just basically tap it like this, and that'll be your new watch face. So I just kind of want to show you guys what the process was as far as getting started with your watch. I'm very excited about this watch, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this portion of the video right here. I'll see you guys in just 1 second. Thank you so much for watching this video about the Apple Watch Series 5 unboxing, or the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel quite a bit, and please feel free to share this video with somebody that may find it useful. Once again, my name is Duane with howtobuildcredittv.com, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.